Hi, I'm Sophie, your Surface Protection Pro, and I'm pleased to introduce Overwrap, the synthetic shield taking the market by storm. Overwrap is designed to protect your flooring finishes from construction traffic and damage. Overwrap fits right into the paper protection bandwidth, but without the paper problems. 3 weights, 3 thicknesses, and priced alongside paper. For the savvy contractor who buys in quantity, they can anticipate Overwrap 100 at around 14 cents a square foot. Certainly more than builder's paper. Builder's paper? Really? Builder's paper is hopeful thinking for protection. It gets soggy and tears quickly and easily, leaving damage and a costly callback. Ugh. Overwrap is wet boot tested and multiple times stronger, offering real protection. There are multiple examples of reuse on commercial sites. Next up is Overwrap 200, the heavy paper alternative coming in for the savvy contractor around 18 cents a square foot. Overwrap 200 is where you really feel the Laylight technology. The 200 is only 1/3 the weight of 42 mil paper. That's 15 pounds versus 45 pounds. Your back and knees will thank your smarts. Reduced roll memory, water resistant, and an install so easy it feels like you got away with something. At the top of the series, Overwrap 300 comes in around 22 cents a square foot in quantity. This is impact protection that really lasts. While all Overwrap is recyclable and reusable, Overwrap 300 takes reusability to another level. We're aware of GCs on busy sites that have mopped Overwrap daily for 3 months. It handles the mud, the boots, and the traffic like a beast. Overwrap, spill protection, all that toughness. And it breathes too. No trapped moisture under your protection means finishes cure ideally. It's like a breath of fresh air for your floor adhesives and finishes. Compatible with standard painter's tapes, duct tape, or our own commercial grade tapes. It just works. Visit overwrapprotect.com today to request your sample. And while you are there, take a look at our growing dealer network. We'll ship direct so you can get back to work. Thank you for considering Overwrap.